Stay with me till the end of this video and I'll show you how you can use this very Telegram bot and make money for yourself. I know that you all have heard of Pi Network and I believe that you all benefited from it, but this is another face of it and I'm going to show you how you can use it and make a lot of money for yourself. And if you check right here on my screen, you will see that one Pi is currently trading at 0.8418 USDT, which means it still has a very good value. So it means that you can use this platform and make a lot of money for yourself by just mining some Pi and converting them to USDT and make more money. I would like to drop a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any investments. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael and this is Card Creation Plan, where we share with you tips to make money online, grow profitable online business. So do well to smash that subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Visit this section of YouTube channel homepage. You'll be able to join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel, and other social that can say by this is our YouTube channel, our partnership channel, our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle for business inquiries and collaboration, my WhatsApp contact for business inquiries and collaboration, my link in bio. Right here, you'll be able to see all the links to register on any platform. It is an easier way for you to get all the registration links. So do well to visit that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the video with friends, and more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. Recently, I discovered that someone was using my profile to impersonate me right here, and that's can see why he's using all my profile. If you see, the profile picture looks like something that was snapped. This is not me, and he showed right here that you should join a group below t.me/Michael Accessories, and when I checked the thing, it wasn't even a group. He also impersonated me on Telegram right here, as you can see over here. It is showing right here Michael Accessories CEO in my bio. He just impersonated me both on WhatsApp and Telegram. But I want you to know one thing. This is a scammer. I will never ask you for your money. Please be safe. I have made my disclaimer right here. This is my real profile. This is my profile on WhatsApp and this is my profile on Telegram. It is verified. So please be safe. I will never ask you for your money. Let us continue with the video. So for you to get started with this very video, go to the video description, click on the link right here showing link in bio, and you'll be brought to this interface right here. You'll be able to see all the links I've seen. This is our YouTube channel link. Then this is Mina Staking, a platform I shared recently in which is still paying, and this is Pi Network, which is the video, the platform I'm making this video for right now. So you have to do just to click on it and you'll be taken to the page for you to get started and start making money for yourself. So once you click on that link, it will be brought to this section. So you have to do just to click on start, and once you click on start, this is going to pop up. So you have to just click on start now and you're going to see the browser is going to open and you're going to see it's currently loading. So once it finishes loading, you're going to see this pop up right here. This is basically everything you need to know about the platform. As you can see over here, it's showing due to the TRS upgrade, the withdrawal cost is too high. First, use TRS to withdraw the minimum amount of 10 USDT. Note, after logging in with the Telegram robot, please click the cash withdrawal button to first set your login password and all that. So all you have to just read all this right here for you to know everything about the platform. The next, you have to just click on this cross sign right here, which is close. And once you click on that, you're going to be able to close the interface that's showing right there. So you'll be brought to this section. As you can see, I'm currently mining right here. Once you create an account, you'll be able to mine. As you can see, I'm currently mining Pi right here, and when this fills up, I'm going to be able to claim my Pi. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this to make money for yourself. But before that, let us go over to this section that is written me. So if you go over to that section, you'll be able to see that I currently have 1.50 in my brokerage wallet, in which I can be able to place a withdrawal with it, and I have 984 Pi, which is the free mining I'm just doing, and I have 15 USDT in my stored wallet. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do everything on this platform. So the first thing you have to do is just to go back to recharge right here. If you go back to the recharge, you'll be able to make a recharge into your account for you to start mining. So as you can see, there are 4 recharge methods: TRC20 USDT, TROX, BP20 USDT, and the Binance Bitcoin. So you have to do just to choose the one you want to recharge with. But me, I like recharging using the BP20 USDT. So once you are brought to this interface, you can recharge. If you have two phones, you can recharge by scanning the barcode right here, or you can simply click on copy right here for you to copy the wallet address and go to your bank account and make the recharge. So once the recharge is complete, you come here right here and click on recharge complete. And once you click on recharge complete, you are going to verify whether the recharge has arrived. So once they finish verifying, it will be credited. But if you don't still understand what I said right there, you can read all this and learn how you can be able to make a successful recharge into this platform. So after making the recharge, you come back to your dashboard, you refresh your page, and your recharge is going to be successful. So once your recharge is successful, the next thing you have to do is just to go right here and click on upgrade. So if you go over to that section, you are going to see different mining tools they have. As you can see over here, the first tool right here is that if you the price is 15 USDT, and every single day you'll be getting 46,875 pi, in which can convert to USDT, and in 30 days is the due date, like the effective days in which this package is going to last. If you scroll down, the second one is 100 USDT, and if you keep scrolling, the third one is 300 USDT, the fourth one is 1000 USDT, the fifth one is 3000 USDT, the sixth one is 5000 USDT, and the last but not the least is 10,000 USDT. So right now, as you saw at the beginning, my balance of 15 USDT, so I'm going to buy this package right here. So I just click on buy it now, and it is going to load. And right here, the purchase quantity should be 1, and my available balance is 15 USDT, and the price is 15 USDT. I just click on buy it now, and as you can see what I told you, it says purchase successful. So right now I've currently bought a package right here, so I'll just keep mining every single day. As you can see over it, showing right here, my mining speed is 1994.125 pi per hour. Then if you go back to this upgrade section, you'll be able to also upgrade your account using the pi itself. Right here, the price of this is 468,750 pi, but and you cannot deposit pi direct. If you deposit USDT, you'll be able to convert. But I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how you can do it. The first package right here is 468,750 USDT. The second package is now 9,843,750 pi. If you scroll down, go to see the last package. So let us go back to the mid section, and if you go back to that mid section, you are going to see that my stored value right here is no longer 15 USDT because I just used it to invest, and my pi is currently 1,280, and my brokerage wallet is 1.50 USDT. So right here, I'll be clicking on the withdraw button right here for me to make a live withdrawal on this video to show you that the platform really pays. But first, I have to set my login password and my security password. So I have to just put my login password, confirm again, put my security password and confirm again, and after that I'll click on the confirm button and it is going to be set successfully. Now that I've successfully inputted all of them, I'm going to be clicking on the confirm button right now for them to be set successfully. And after I've clicked on that, as you can see over here, it is loading and it has been set successfully. So right here, as you can see over here, there are two withdrawal methods. You can withdraw using the TRC20 USDT and you can withdraw using the BP20 USDT. And my current balance for withdrawal right here is 1.5 USDT. If you scroll there, you're going to see the minimum withdrawal for the TRC20 is 10 USDT. If you go back to the BP20, you're going to see that minimum withdrawal for the BP20 is 1.5 USDT. So it means that I'm going to be withdrawing using the BP20 as it is showing in my balance right here, 1.5 USDT. So all I have to do is just to input my wallet address right here in my withdrawal amount, my security password, and I'll click on the confirm button and my withdrawal is going to be placed successfully. If you also know how to place a withdrawal, this is a warm reminder, and this is how you can be able to make a successful withdrawal on this platform. So I have to do just to read that and you'll be able to make a successful withdrawal on this platform. Now that I've successfully inputted my wallet address, my amount, and my security password, I'll be clicking on the confirm button right now for my withdrawal to be placed successfully. And as I'm clicking on the confirm button, it's currently loading, and right now it shows withdrawal success. So I'm going to wait patiently for the withdrawal to arrive into my crypto wallet. So this is the home page. Once you start the bot, this is the way the home page is going to be. So you have to just to click on start mining. But the reason why it is showing me start mining right now is because I just invested. So I have to start afresh to mine. So I just click on start mining and you see that it is going to be mining automatically. And right here you will see that once this thing fills in 24 hours, I'm going to be able to collect my token and I'll be able to use it and make more money for myself. If you go back to this section written English, you'll be able to change the language preference. Right here, you'll be able to see your profile. Then here, you'll be able to contact to see latest updates on the platform. Let us go back to that section, and that's kind of where it is showing announcements. And right here is message where you will also be seeing latest update and it's showing right here withdrawal success, which is the withdrawal I placed at the beginning of this video. So as you can see over here, this is 1994.125 pi per hour, which means this is what I'll be getting per hour, and I'm in the Pioneer one because I invested in the first package. If you scroll down, you're going to see the task center right here, daily invitation reward for level 1 team members. If you invite one level 1 team member every day, the number of invitees per number of invitees required, this is the line. And if you invite one team in a day, you get 1000 pi. If you scroll down, you see total rewards for inviting level 1 teams every day. If you invite 5 level teams of your level 1 every single day, you get 3000 pi. Then the total reward for inviting 3 teams is 3000 pi. A total of 5 level team, 3 team members. Then right here, if you follow their Telegram channel, you will get 2000 pi. And right here, if you check in daily, you will get 500 pi. So I'm just going to check in right now. Just click on check in, and and it's showing right here, congratulations on receiving your pi. So I've successfully checked in. Then let us also follow their Telegram channel. If you click on this, you'll be able to follow their Telegram channel. This is to show you that it is a verified Telegram bot. As you can see, the Telegram channel has 68k subscribers. The Pi Network Telegram channel has 68k subscribers. So don't fail on this update. This is a long-term project. So right here, it's showing congratulations on receiving that and it has been completed. If you click on Lucky Draw right here, you'll be able to use your Pi and play some games. It is a win-win. You can win, you can lose. So it is not advisable. If you go back to leaderboard, you'll be able to see the highest referrals, like the person that has the highest referral among all the people using this platform. It is currently loaded. As you can see, it has the holding ranking and it has the team ranking, and it has an airdrop in 5 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes, 39 seconds, and it is currently counting. So the holding ranking, like the person that has the highest pi, this person currently has 33,437,179,378.018 pi. So the second person, the top person, this is the holding ranking right here, and there's an airdrop in 5 days. So the person is going to receive a lot of token. Then if you go back to the team ranking, we see the person that has the highest number of referrals, and the person has 5,515 referrals, as you can see over here. So if you go back to upgrade right here, you'll be able to see where you'll be able to invest in the package as I showed you at the beginning. Right here, you'll be able to invest with USDT, and right here, you'll be able to upgrade with Pi. But I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to upgrade with Pi and with USDT, because Pi, you are meant to use, you're not meant to deposit pi, you're meant to deposit USDT, but I'm going to show you right here in this video. Then if you go back to team right here, you are going to be able to see everything about referrals right here. This is your commission details. So this is your referral link right here. So you have to do, just click on copy, share with friends for you to make more money. You can also share it on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and you can also make a video of it right here. So right here, you'll be able to track your total number of team, your total promotion commission, which is your commission, then your total team recharge, the amount your team has recharged. This is your total team withdrawal, the amount they have withdrawn. So right here, you'll be able to see your level 1 team, your level 2 team, your level 3 team. Then here, if you share with friends, you'll also be able to share with friends. If you go back to this me section, you'll be able to see other features of the platform. I've already explained the recharge at the beginning of this video. I've already explained the withdrawal, which is a live withdrawal I made at this video. If you click on staking right here, you'll be able to also stake your USDT for you to make more money for yourself. As you can see over here, this is a short-term staking. That this section that is showing upgrade, it is for you to be mining, but this staking section, it is another version. Right here, if you stake 100 USDT, you'll be getting 2% every day, and it is valid for 10 days. And the total investment is unlimited, and the principal and interest is 120 USDT, which means you are going to be getting 120 USDT at the end of the countdown of 10 days, which means your gain will be 20 USDT. Then this second package, if you invest 1000 USDT, you're going to be getting 5% every day for 30 days, and after the countdown, you're going to be getting 2500 USDT. So this is a short-term investment package. So if you go over to the mix section back, you're going to see other features. Right here, you'll be able to see financial record, which is all the transactions you make on this platform. Right here, this is my pi transaction, my mining earnings. I received 984 pi, and here I received 260.1811 pi. Right here, my tax 500, and here when I joined the Telegram channel 2000. If you go back to brokerage wallet, which is the financial income, you see that it was increased by 1.5 USDT, which is when I deposited. Don't forget, once you make a recharge, you'll be able to make a withdrawal immediately. Then this is minus 1.5, which is when I made a withdrawal. Then this is stored value, which is when I made a recharge, and this is when I used it to invest in a package. So if you go over to this section back, this is the section I said I'm going to teach you how you can be able to convert your USDT to Pi. So this is Pi and USDT. Right here, you'll be able to swap your Pi to your USDT. I'll be able to swap from USDT to Pi. So if you decide to swap your Pi to USDT, as you can see, this is my Pi I have in my balance, 3750 Pi. If I swap to USDT, 0.1 USDT, and this is their flash exchange right here. So all you have to just be able to use it and swap and convert and make more money for yourself and make withdrawals every single day. If you go back to this section that says transfer, you'll be able to transfer token or your USDT from your brokerage wallet to your stored value wallet, which means if maybe you don't want to place a withdrawal, because the ones you can withdraw is only the ones on your brokerage wallet, so you can transfer it to your stored value wallet, which is the your deposit wallet, which is when you just for storage without touching it. So you just input the amount you want to transfer, your security password, and click on confirm, and the transfer is going to be successful. If you scroll down, you are going to see other features right here. Invite, you'll be able to invite your friends. I've shown you at the team section. Login password, you'll be able to change your login password or make your login password right here. Security password, the same thing, you'll be able to change and formulate it. Then frequently asked questions, FAQ. These are the questions that are frequently asked on the platform, in which you can ask anytime you see any problem in the platform. Then white paper, this is the verification of their platform, which is their platform is really verified. Then this about us, you'll be able to see more about them, the Pi network. Then contact customer care service, you'll be able to contact their customer care service right here. This is their official customer care service, and this is the Pi network official channel, which is the one we joined when we're completing the task. Then their official customer care service, if you go, you are going to see the official customer care service Pi network right here, as you can see over here. Then if you go back to the platform, you are going to see that if you click on this, you also be able to contact the customer care service. It is a moving icon. You able to contact the customer care support. I believe that step-by-step method shown on this video has been a very wonderful opportunity for you to make money online. Subscribe to this channel if that sounds like true. Like this video, share it with friends, and more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. I'll be signing out for now and hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to join all our social media platforms, our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel, and other social media platforms. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash to cash creation plan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.